What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys a video on how to test the radiator fan on a 2001 Polaris Scrambler 500. This is the one with the 4x4. It is pink. This is the wife's four-wheeler, not mine. That's mine right there. So, anyhow, here's the radiator. Behind the radiator, you got the fan. Behind the fan, you got the black cable that leads out of it. There's a cluster of wires here. And to the right here, there's a little connector. That's where this was connected here. So you're going to unplug that from there. And then you're going to go ahead and make yourself a little cable. You got a little wire here with these attachments on the end, on each side. You're going to take this cable here and you're going to attach it. Go ahead and hold that for me. Thank you. You're going to take this connector and you are going to hook up that cable to both sides of it. One on this side here, one on this side here. And it should look like that. Very simple. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to turn your key, which is missing. Hold on one second. You're going to turn that to the on position, as so. As soon as you turn this to the run position, you should hear your fan kick on if it is working. As you can hear, my fan is working just fine, so that's pretty much it. That's how you check and see if your fan works. Hope this video helped somebody out. Peace.